Hi, welcome to the demonstration video of the Odoo's number one application, the Dashboard Ninja. In this video, we will understand the very important feature, dynamic date filter. Okay. Also, we'll understand the difference between the dashboard global date filters and the item date filter. Okay. So to start with, I'll firstly show you the 20 date filters that we already have. All these are the dynamic date filters. For an example, you want to set up a particular filter, it will be showing you data for every time. Okay, so what I mean to say by this, you set up this week and automatically this will be showing you data of the current week, and you don't have to set up any custom date range. So this is the beauty of this filter feature, that we get you the dynamic date filters. Now this is the global date filter, right? So in this way, what we will be doing is, for an example, I set up at this week's data. Now you can see, I can see all of these dashboard items for this week's data, but this particular item I have set for last 365 days, right? I'll show you. You can see this. So basically the priority of item date filter is higher than the global date filter. By this, what I mean to say is, for an example, if I set up the date filter into a particular item, in that case, global filter will not be applicable on that particular item, and it will be applicable on all the other items which are not having the item date filter set up for them, in which the item date filter is none, right? So I'll not be keeping it none. I'll be keeping it this last year only, last 65 days. I'll save this, and now you can see, once I go back to my dashboard, the data for this is 39. Even if I choose it this month also, you can see all the other tiles will be changing the numbers, but not this time. So this is the difference between global date filter and item date filter. And all these 20 dynamic date filters are given to you into Dashboard Ninja only. So this is the beauty of this application. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this will be of great help to you. For any other questions or queries, you can reach us at sales@ksolves.com. Thank you.